Hey Crafty Friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome to part 2 of my Aliexpress haul. I had to stop my other video because it was just getting way too long, so I'm going to go ahead and share with you the rest of the dies that I hauled. Alright, so let's just jump right on in. Okay, so the next die that I hauled is this super cute leaf, and it has the base of the leaf, and then it has the leaf, the intricate part that cuts out. It makes a really pretty leaf. This is what it looks like, and I was just playing with it. But look how super pretty that is. I love that. I added some glitter to it and made it a little sparkly, but how cute would that be for fall projects? Super cute. You could tie a little twine bow right there and attach it to a gift bag. Really, really pretty leaf. So I picked that one up. The next thing that I hauled was this treat basket, and it looks like this. This is the top, this is the lid of the basket, and then this is the base of the treat box. And in between the layers of that treat box, you can insert these pieces in these little spaces right here. Super, super cute. And this is what it looks like. How adorable is this treat box? It's so pretty and I love it, and it's a perfect size for Happy Mail and sticking, you know, a little goodie or a treat. How pretty would this be to do something like this for Christmas time on your table setting and give everybody, you know, all the guests a super little, you know, fun treat, like a Christmas chocolate or something. And then the flower that is on top is another poinsettia that I did haul. I forgot to bring the die down. I do apologize, but it comes with 3 layers and then a tiny little piece right there. And I absolutely love this poinsettia. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's so pretty. And it does have these little stitching so you can fold it up and give your flower a little bit of dimension. But how super cute is that? Love it. So pretty. And then the next die that I have to share with you is this word believe. And it looks like that. And I cut it out a couple of times so you can see what it looks like, but I figured this would be really nice for Christmas. And also, I mean, it could be for a unicorn project as well, or even mermaids, but super pretty. I like the size. Let's see, I have my ruler down here with me today. So this believe is about 4 inches long, in case you're wondering. So it's actually a really nice size. Really pretty. All right, moving along, I did pick up this super cute little donut. Looks like this. Comes with the glasses and the eyes and a little smiley face. And this is what it looks like cut out. And I used that word cool that I shared with you in the previous Aliexpress haul. And just cut it out of some glitter. I die cut out one of my bows. I used this stitched postage die that I have that I've also picked up from Aliexpress. And I think I've shared this one in the past, but it's super cute and I just like the way it looks. And it does have this piece right here where you can add, I guess, another layer of dimension to the donut, and I didn't do it, but or maybe you could clip it onto something. I'm not really sure. If you have this die or if you know, you can tell me in the comment section. But I just thought it was super cute, and I just love, you know, stuff like this. So I picked that one up. All right, moving along, I did pick up this set of tags. It looks like this. Let me take them out for you. It comes with these 4 pieces, looks like this. And I created some tags so you could see what it looks like. So this is the first one. And then as you can see, they're like tag toppers. So this one has like the oval shape, and it looks like that on the front and the back. It is stitched. How pretty is that? So, and I just added some twine. You could dangle it to your project or your gift bag. Super pretty. So there's that one. And then I did also die cut it out of the heart. I love the heart, and I actually used this really cute lip eyelet, and this was actually gifted to me from a subscriber. She knows who she is. Thank you so much, sweetheart. I'm trying to use some of the stuff that you gifted me, and it looks like that on the back. Super, super pretty, right? So I'm really loving these toppers, and you know, you don't have to, you know, have it to where you have twine through it. You can put a little bow or, you know, stick it on a card. So super, super cute. So I'm really loving this set. I didn't die cut these two out, but this one has a scalloped edge and then this one just has stitching and it's straight. So super pretty. So I'm really liking this little set right here. All right, moving along, I think I have one more to share with you guys. I picked up this die right here, and look how huge it is. I mean, it's super big, you guys. It's probably 6 inches, maybe 5. Well, let's see. Oh yeah, 5 inches across. But this is super pretty. It has some stitching. Let me just share with you what it looks like. When you cut it out, it looks like this. So you get this circle, and then this piece comes out. So you can actually, you know, change it up and put different colors and different combinations. But how fun would that be for especially winter projects? That's actually why I picked it up. But I'm gonna show you the project that I made. It's like a mermaid themed project. And this is what I did with that die. And I'm sorry, that paper is very shiny, this holographic paper that I used. But I had die cut out these mermaids. But you see the little scene, I pieced in the hearts. And then down here I have like little seashells, and some of them are popped up on foam to give them some dimension. And I just put sparkle, and I thought that came out super cute. And again, I use the stitched square layering die that I picked up off of Aliexpress. I'm really loving this die. I've been using it quite a bit because it's just been on my desk, and it's actually just perfect for layering. So that's something that I've shared before, and I have it right here. I'll share it again. It looks like that, super big. So really fun project. The mermaids and the seashells, in case you are wondering, I know somebody's gonna ask me, looks like this, and I picked this up from Michael's. I believe, yeah, this is a Recollections brand. So really cute. It comes with the seashells and the seahorse and that piece right there. So really fun set. I wanted to share with you this die right here really quickly before I leave you guys today. This die right here, this is the tab die that I was sharing with you in the other video. This is what it looks like with the other two pieces cut out, in case you're wondering. So when you cut it out, it is perforated right there. You see that? So it could go like this. It could be like a treat topper, or maybe in a pop-up card. I'm really not sure. And then this one looks like this, and it has the arrow going straight up. But and again, it's perforated, so when you punch it out, it would look like that. So just so you know, in case you're wondering about those dies, I had just took scissors and cut it along this bottom edge to create my flap for that little folio that I created. And same thing right here, you just cut that part off, and then you'd have, you know, your flap. See, it just comes apart. Very simple. But anyway, it's a fun die. I just wanted to share that really quickly. Thanks for stopping by my channel. Of course, leave a comment. Check the description box below for product information. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye for now.